Good evening. The tape is quiet until it isn't. Let's start with Guardant Health. According to Yahoo Finance, shares tumbled after a judge ruled against the company in a patent battle with TwinStrand Biosciences and the University of Washington. The court ordered Guardant to pay more than $245.2 million in damages, accrued royalties, and interest. Additionally, the company must pay a 6% royalty on sales of its key products, including the Guardant 360 and Shield tests. Over in trade, the Canadian dollar slid as U.S.-Canada talks collapsed amid new tariffs. According to CNBC Markets, the United States imposed 50% tariffs on approximately $20 billion in imports, prompting Prime Minister Mark Carney to announce retaliatory measures starting September 8. United States Trade Representative Jamieson Greer stated that negotiations failed because Canada demanded more than Washington was willing to offer regarding steel, aluminum, and autos. He posted about tariffs on Canada about an hour before this. In tech, Alibaba shares plunged 10% after a massive capital raise. According to CNBC Technology, Alibaba priced an 80 billion Hong Kong dollar placement of newly issued shares at HKD 112.7 apiece, with all net proceeds earmarked for full-stack AI capabilities and infrastructure expansion. The move follows a reported 75% drop in quarterly profit as capital expenditure jumped 75% to 67.7 billion yuan due to heavy AI spending. Finally, the national balance sheet. According to CNBC Markets, the total United States government debt reached $40.05 trillion as of Tuesday. According to the Treasury Department, this milestone comes more than 4 years after the debt topped $30 trillion and represents a doubling from the $19.4 trillion level recorded a decade ago. The numbers don't care how loud you type them. Quiet days are exactly when you should get suspicious. Hype is a rendering error. The tape has no soaring and no crashing, only prints. Good night. That's the show. We're on Spotify and YouTube. If this earned it, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And housekeeping, the machine that writes this gets tuned constantly for cleaner news. The numbers are real, the jokes are not. One more thing, this whole station runs on one garage computer, and if the tape ever earned you a coffee, there's a tip jar at informant.reiners.io. It keeps the phone line on.